Okay, this is A to Z Cover's newest. We call it the 4.0 magnet screen for the rear, and we also have a slider version. On a high roof Sprinter. This is our donor vehicle. We keep it in the parking lot and use it to template new products and come up with new ideas. So this is what we're using for a demonstration today. The screen will come packaged. It will say right and left. That will be the outside of the vehicle. One side is a little larger than the other, and the center is aligned with the edge of the door opening. So when you open it, right here's your magnets. And with our method, we put a metal strip on the outside portion of the screen, and on the inside is the magnets. This prevents the magnets from sticking to the door when the door is closed. It's a nice, simple design, real functional, sticks real well. On the bottom, we have a metal strip stuck to our sweep, and then we have magnet strips stuck to the plastic on the top of the sill plate itself. Real easy to open and close and get in and out, and what's real nice is it's real easy to remove. Okay, we're just going to put that out of the way for right now and show you the components that come with the screen. 2 pieces of hook, 2-inch hook tape, which go from the center all the way out and around. First, you would want to put your 16-inch wide piece of 4-inch hook tape up here. Okay, and in order to do that, you simply remove the gasket from the sill plate, let it hang on the step. You don't have to completely remove it. You clean your gasket metal flange with some rubbing alcohol. Take and stick, there's the roll of 1/2-inch loop in the bag. Stick that loop on the inside. Start at the center, stick your 4-inch up here, cut your slits for your strikers so you can open and close your doors. That covers this area right here. The screen actually has a little dip sewn in it in the top here. Then you go put your 2-inch from here, one side all the way down, then the other side. Slide your gasket back on. And this is an install that'll be here for the life of the van. You don't ever have to worry about the adhesive letting loose and the actual screen falling off. The only other real components to the screen system, the sweeps come in a bag like this because once they're folded they kind of get a little wrinkled up. And then this is a 1/2-inch loop tape like you put on that gasket flange, and this is the primer for the plastic. Simply clean the plastic with rubbing alcohol first, then open your primer or package and wet it real good with the primer pack, let it dry, and apply your 1/2-inch loop. And that 1/2-inch loop, then your magnets are encapsulated in that Velcro. Your 1/2-inch loop holds that in place. Okay, that comes off your roll. The other part of this roll is the magnet strip and the metal strip for the main part of the screen. Here's 1, 2 magnet strips, and then we have 2 metal strips in here as well, one on the other side. Okay, so this you just have to straighten out and stick to your sweep, and then the main piece you'll straighten out. And when your screen is shipped, it will be held together with a piece of 1-inch hook tape here. Instead of this magnet strip, which will be rolled up, that will be in place holding it. So once you put your Velcro all the way around under your gasket, you can stick your screen in place, pull your 1-inch hook tape off, and that you can cut into pieces whatever length you want. You can either roll the screen sideways or roll it up. All you have to do is remove the sweep or remove the magnet strip and the metal strip, and you can roll it sideways, or you can pull it off and fold it up. But that is there for shipping and to hold it in place for installation, and then you can use that as straps to roll it up. All you have to do is tuck it up underneath here, roll it back, and slip it back around and stick it on the back side. This is your magnet strip here. Your metal strip you straighten out after you unroll it, and you stick to the other side of the screen, and that's the complete system. Very simple and very easy to install, and will last the life of your vehicle. Thank you.